Recently, we brought an opportunity of investing in a commercial property in one of the most reputed location of India. इस property का नाम है 41 Commune by Crisala. Crisala is the developer name. Now, why this property is unique? Because the concept is such, it is a mixed development where on lower ground floor and first floor we are having commercial section. We are having lockable shops, and above second floor, because on second floor we are having amenities, and above second floor we will be having till 16th floor there will be concept of studio apartments which can be utilized for a short term living, or let's say if tomorrow any hotel or any company wanted to occupy, then people who are investing there will be getting long term rentals out of it without managing the property. Now, why this location is very prominent? The first reason to it, because it is an IT hub. So as we know, Hinjewadi itself is one of the largest IT hub in India with a land parcel size of 2,800 acre, जहाँ पे आज medium, small scale और बड़ी companies को मिला के in IT domain there are more than 800 companies are working there. Although there are 260 dedicated companies, top-notch companies like TCS, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, IBM, Accenture, HCL, you name a company that you know specifically in IT domain that is working over there. The best part, the demography, the people who are working over there, there are 6 to 7 lakh dedicated IT professionals, and 80% out of them are below than 34 of age. So that is the best part on that location, because they are the people who utilize commercial. So then now the opportunity that I am offering to you, or I am suggesting anyone who is looking forward for a commercial property to invest, so you can look forward for investing on a ground floor retail जहाँ पे prominent brands आएंगे, or maybe first floor you can look at. There are a lot of people who consider to invest in food court section, और food court अपने आप में भी एक बहुत prime, अपने आप में एक location होता है, एक prime opportunity होता है किसी भी commercial property में. The reason to it, because food court is a indirect crowd puller. So let's say if you are going in a mall and you want to shop, you want to do shopping for clothing, you want to buy clothes from Zara, or you are going with family and you are 5 members, so chances are very high that you will be eating something within that mall. So food court में एक indirect crowd जो उस सोच से नहीं जाता है, but they go over there, hence वो सबसे premium location बनता है किसी भी commercial compound और mall की. Whereas this development is not of a mall, it is better than that. Why? Because people who are living on till 16th floor, जो स्टूडियो अपार्टमेंट में लोग रहेंगे या जो बिजनेस सूट्स में लोग रहेंगे, उनको भी एक रेगुलर एक्टिविटी करने के लिए और रेगुलर कमर्शियल नीड्स को पूरी करने के लिए दे रिक्वायर टू कम इधर ऑन ग्राउंड फ्लोर, फर्स्ट फ्लोर, और टू इफ दे वांट टू ईट समथिंग दे हैव टू कम इन F&B सेक्शन, जो कि हमारा लोअर ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे है. सो कंसेप्ट इज सच कि आपका लोअर ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे है F&B सेक्शन, फर्स्ट फ्लोर और ग्राउंड फ्लोर का हमारा प्योर रिटेल होगा जहाँ पे सारे प्रोमिनेंट ब्रांड्स आएंगे. Now this property is on pre-launch and on soft launch. So anyone who is looking forward for investment, location is very prominent. Metro is 700 meter away. There is a metro station called Dollar Metro. Metro is going to deliver by 2025 March. And the second biggest development जो पुणे में बहुत टाइम से शेड्यूल है, मैंने रिसेंटली एक बहुत फनी कमेंट भी पढ़ा कि I hope this ring road I am talking about. So someone has wrote that I hope my third generation will be able to see ring road. So yes, it is scheduled from very long time, but now official date has came that कि 2026 के end में दिसंबर में it is going to deliver, and that will be another opportunity or appreciation can give to our property, क्योंकि वहाँ से connectivity बहुत easy हो जाएगी. If you want to approach outskirts of Pune and you want to go to airport, that will be more easy commute for Pune. So anyone who is looking at 70-80 लाख रुपए से इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टार्ट होता है एक नॉर्मल कमर्शियल शॉप विद अ साइज ऑफ 200-300 स्क्वायर फीट ऑफ एरिया दैट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. Anyone who's looking at, it's a very premium commercial options to go ahead, and these are lockable shops that you can have with you, and you can have long-term income on this property. So you can connect with me right now. I think numbers are reflecting on my screen, or maybe below on description you can go and you can check about this. Anyone who's in GCC, you can connect me in Qatar. I am mentioning my Qatar number. Otherwise, my Indian number is always available. My name is Sonu, and I represent one of the most successful real estate company of India. Signing off.